Meaning of holistic.
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 Holistic. Holistic refers to the concept of considering something as a whole, instead of focusing on individual parts. It's a way of approaching things by taking into account all the interconnected aspects and their impact on each other. In a holistic approach, everything is seen as interconnected and interdependent. This approach is often used in healthcare, where it's believed that treating a patient's physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being as a whole, rather than just treating individual symptoms, can lead to better outcomes. Adopting a holistic approach can also be beneficial in fields such as business, education, and personal development.